Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have a parcel. Yes, it's unboxing day today. I promised you all an unboxing and that's what you're going to get. Now I've opened the box, I haven't looked at any of the spiders in there. Just wanted to make sure how many's in there because you never know. So without further ado, this is a double unboxing. There's one spider in here for Ryan that he's had off the same person I ordered mine off. I'll just get rid of this shredded paper. I'll go with it. Right, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which are mine, and one box which I'm going to let Ryan open and put in his enclosure ready. So you need a Stanley knife.
Yeah.
Psycho Stanley's got to come out of the drawer again. I'll get rid of that box. Ryan's actually been after this spider since he started collecting and couldn't believe how hard there was to get hold of. But we found a nice one for him and it's here now to show you. The tension builds. I can see a leg and there's a spider appearing. And there she is. As you can see guys, it's a Gramastola rosehair / portery. A Chilean rosehair. And she's absolutely gorgeous. Silk flying everywhere off the little girl. Yes, she's amazing. So in she goes to her new home, and I'm going to cut here and set up for my unboxings and my reveals. So we'll be back in 2 shakes. Okay. Right guys, welcome back. Sorry about the short break, but you wouldn't have noticed anyway because obviously it skips. Right, now Ryan's is out of the way. I'm going to start off with these 2 here. Now I ordered 4 spiders and I got 2 free gifts off a gentleman called Mr. Phil Emery. He had a Facebook page. I'll pop a link in the description for him. He's a lovely bloke, he only lives in Blackpool and he can't do enough for you. So the first free one I had off him is a Brachypelma albopilosum, which as you all know is a Honduran curly hair. And we'll have a look at this one. Sure I don't grab it out, however she is. There she is. She's at the bottom of the tub there. I don't know whether you guys will see her. I won't disturb her anymore, but that was a free gift. Thank you, Phil. I have one of these, so anybody who wants the Brachypelma albopilosum free of charge, don't even have to pay shipping, let me know in the comments and I'll pick one of you at random if more than one want it. The next freebie off Mr. Emery is a Brachypelma Amelia, which I'm very pleased about. We did have one of these, but sadly she died. Not sure why. I think she got stuck in a water bubble, so that was my fault really. And there she is, tiny little dot. On the, and she can pop back in there, little girl. Thank you. And that'll be around for a short while until she puts on a bit of size. And again, Brachypelma Amelia, which is the painted red leg, I believe. Now, first off, we're going to have a look at this guy. This is actually an Avicularia Carabiner versicolor. Obviously now the Carabiner versicolor, they've took away the Avic. I had one of these also and sadly she died. And get a tub ready for her here. But I have to have one back in my collection because I absolutely love the Avics. We'll see if we can gently get this girl out. Oh, she's alive and well. And here she comes. Wow. There is a little darling. I'm going to walk across my hand. She's absolutely beautiful. And we'll pop her in a new little home. Come on, go. As with all my spiders, they like to stay on me. They're not very happy about going to the enclosures. I'll pop you down there. There you go. Stay there, girl. And there she is, my new Carabiner versicolor. Fantastic fill. She's absolutely gorgeous. Bigger than my other one as well. That's two down. I'll pop that one on the floor a minute. Right, next ones. These are a couple of my dream tarantulas. Well, the one is the one I didn't even know existed. And we'll start with the one that's recognisable first, which is the H. lividum, the Brachypelma lividum, the cobalt blue tarantula. Just do a red tub. Now these may be a bit big for them, but it won't matter. They'll dig down anyway. So this is the Hobby Staple, the blue form. And again, I'm not going to mess with her. I'll just show you all in a little tub there. She's a lovely little size. And I'm just going to coax her in gently. Use my little brush. Come on, beaut. Oh. Oh, you've got an attitude already. There she is. And as a look at her, she's on my finger. I'll show you a quick look at her there again. And see if I can get her to come off me and into the enclosure. Which is coming up the inside of my hand, which is nothing bloody new. There she is. Took a little jump in there. So there's my cobalt blue. Just write a B on the top of that so I know which one's which. I'm going to pop that one to one side. Gorgeous girl there. And the next one, we have the Afropalma Lividum, another cobalt, but this one is the green colour form. Now I've never actually seen the green colour form before, so this will be interesting, and I hope you guys see the same as I do. Oh my life. Straight away see a difference between the cobalt blue and this colour form. As you can see, she's fantastic looking. Show my wife. So now we'll see if we can have a go again. This girl, whoops, there we go, sorry about that. Look at me saying sorry to a bloody spider, like to listen. So that's my Afropalma green form lividum. How many is that we've done now? That's 5, isn't it? 1 left. Now, that's the square tub. This, guys, is my dream tarantula, and those of you who've been watching my channel will all know exactly what this is. It's actually an Harpactira porcupes, the golden blue-legged baboon. Let's just take the lid off, so to speak. Oh wow, and she's everything I expected of her. She's already got the golden blue colours coming in. I'll show you quickly, because she looks like she wants to make a run for it. As you can see, guys, she's a fantastic looking spider. Let's move the tissue back a bit so I'll get you all a better look. That's better. You should be able to see it a bit clearer now. And that is my dream spider, what I have on my t-shirt. So I'm going to swiftly rearm her. And come on.
Oh, sorry.
Are you going to play the game?
Oh,
No. We have another one who likes my hand.
No.
Right, and my daughter's cup to there. I need a bit of paper now to slide under it.
Yeah, Dad.
Careful of the legs.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Once again, I can't show you this girl off enough. She's amazing. My dreams have become reality. Go on. Okay guys, sorry about that. The camera cut off, technical difficulties. Too many messages coming in for me. But I think we left off where we were just about to get the H pulchripes in the enclosure. And she's in there now. Dare I take the lid off? She's hunkered down there. I'll just show you quickly. I don't want her to do a running act. As I say, she's the most expensive spider I've bought to date, sling wise. But she's absolutely amazing. And I am over the moon with her. Right guys, enough waffling on now. I hope you enjoyed that eventful unboxing. Everything's safely in their new houses. And my Amelia has found a new home here. And if any of you guys want this albopilosum, this brachypelma guy, leave a comment down below, and if there's more than one of you, then I will send it to somebody who will pick at random, or throw the names in a hat and get someone to pick one out. But either way, this one's up for grabs. It's very healthy. It's a nice size string actually. My brachy albop was a lot smaller than this when we had it. This one's quite nice. So if you like the video guys, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, pass the word round if you like my channel. I'm not far off 100 people now, subscribers. I think we're at about 95. Once I get to 100, I will be doing a giveaway. I'm not sure what I'm going to be giving away yet, spider-wise or something else, but I'll be doing a giveaway and I'll work it out in the meantime and let you know when we reach 100 subscribers. So watch out for that video, and there should be another video coming for the next week or so, which will be another unboxing video. So for now guys, thanks for your patience and take care of yourself. I love you all. Thanks for being there. You mean a great deal to me that you enjoy my videos. I get so many nice comments, it's unreal. So for now, Pooh Webster saying goodbye to you all.